But the problem is we're having to move into the next phase, which is acceptance of COVID. We don't have to make it the bogeyman that it's been all the way through. We have to learn to live with it, and we also have to rationalize it a bit. And part of that comes from looking at the alternatives. And you see here, causes of death globally in 2019 overall, the leading case was, heart disease with about 9 million deaths in 1 year. COVID's come in at 4.7. So stroke, also high, and respiratory diseases, which COVID is one of, significant. But you can see, to give perspective, 4.7 would only put it third on the list of what would normally be causing death in the world anyways. Now, a lot of argument over what constitutes a COVID death, because of course it impacts people that have existing ailments. And if they die with existing ailments as a result of also having COVID, it is a COVID death. So it's going to distort the numbers a bit when we see the 20 and 21 and probably into 22 results. But I'm putting this here not as a point of controversy, but a point of reality. We have to accept that those 4.7 deaths over coming up to a 19-month period are significant, but relatively low compared to the two biggest killers on the planet, being heart and stroke. That's the sad part. That's the reality. We have to come to terms with it.